Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU GS watch and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Okay, so let's continue with the measurement. First thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch. So let's wait until it turns off. And to wake it up, simply press the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. And in the menu you should see the BPM icon. This is the heart rate widget, tap on it. And now the watch should start measuring the heart rate automatically. And here we have it. This number will jump around because it's measuring the heart rate in real time. But here we have the highest heart rate and the lowest heart rate. Also, I'm pretty sure you can swipe up on the screen to see the graph from the whole day. So if you want to see the progression from the whole day, you can check it right here. Okay, and once you're done measuring the heart rate, you can simply press the side button to go back, like this. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.